Okay, for number 5, we want to find three things. The initial value is the number in front of the exponential equation. Sometimes there's not a number there, it's just a base to an exponent, and then the initial value would be 1. But in this case, the initial value is 1280. We want to find the factor. The factor is inside the parentheses. Usually it's the base of the exponential. So my factor is 1.34. And then the rate is made up of 1 plus r as a percent, or it's made up of 1 minus r as a percent. And so we're trying to find out what the rate is as a percent. There's a couple different ways to do that. I can start with my factor, 1.34, and turn that into a percentage, which is 134%. You can always turn something into a percent by multiplying by 100 if you needed. So the factor means that you have 134% of what you had before. So if you had 100% originally to start, and now you have 134%, we can find that the difference is that you increased by 34%. We know it's an increase because it's growth, and so our rate would be 34%. That's one way to deal with it. Another way is if you use this idea of the 1 plus r or 1 minus r, because you know it's growth, you could say that 1 plus r equals 1.34. The 1 minus r would be for decay, the 1 plus r would be for growth. So you put these two ideas together, and if you subtract 1, you get r equals 0.34. 0.34, again, as a percent, you can multiply by 100, and you get 34%.